Hi, it's Bronwen from Rap, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple house beat. Now, typical tempos for house music are between 120 and 128 beats per minute. I've set my project to 128 beats per minute. In house music, you typically have a 4 to the floor kick drum pattern. So let's put that in. I'm going to do a 2-bar groove. There's my kick. Here we go. Whoops. And let's have a listen. All right, that's good. I'm going to add a little bit of variation by adding in another hit in between the last two. Let's have a listen to it now. Yeah, I'm good with that. Now, in house music, your snare and clap usually come on beats 2 and 4 in your bar, so let's put that in. And let's have a listen. All right. The classic way to use hi-hats in house is 4 hits per bar, all on the offbeat. For variation, you can add some open hi-hats and what have you. So let's do that. I'm going to add in the hats on the offbeats. Let's have a quick listen. All right, and there you've got the basic pattern for a house groove. Now you can go in, what I usually do is for house music, go to my kick drum, make sure that beat number 1 is nice and strong, and beat number 2 you can turn down a bit, beat number 3 the same, beat number 4 not as strong, but beat number 1 needs to be nice and strong. And it just gives a little bit more feel to your music and helps it to drive it forward a little bit. Let's have a listen to that. Excellent. The snare, I'm going to make it a bit louder. I'm going to make it pop a little bit. All right, and where the real amazing happens in house music is when you start to add other sounds and other rhythmic elements, and then your melodic and your harmony elements as well. So I've gone ahead and just done something really, really simple here to spice up the track. Let's have a listen. Well, there you have it. That's a very simple, basic house groove, and you can play around with all sorts of other elements and percussion elements to really get it moving and get it grooving. Please go visit raponline.net. There's a downloadable package for you guys that I've created that you can utilize in your productions, and I hope it gives you some inspiration. Until next time.